In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively insert and remove page breaks in your document. Whether you're organizing a report, creating a brochure, or working on any lengthy document, page breaks play a crucial role in keeping your content structured and organized. Let's dive in and explore how you can master this useful feature, ensuring your document is formatted exactly the way you want it. To begin, you'll want to place your cursor precisely where you want the new page to start. This is an important first step since the page break will insert directly at this position, pushing everything after the break to the following page. Take a moment to ensure your cursor is accurately positioned, as this accuracy will help maintain the flow and coherence of your document. Once you're ready to insert the page break, head over to the menu at the top of your program window. Here, you'll find the Insert option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled Break. Hover over it or select it, and you should see several options, including Page Break. Clicking on Page Break will immediately create a new page break at your cursor's location, allowing your document to seamlessly transition into a new page. For those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's an efficient alternative to accessing the menu system. On a Windows device, simply press Ctrl and Enter simultaneously. This shortcut enables you to quickly insert a page break without interrupting your workflow, making it a handy option for those who frequently edit and format documents. Now, let's discuss how to remove a page break, as there may be instances where you need to adjust your document's layout or merge sections back together. Begin by placing your cursor directly in the right spot. You can either click right after the page break, which is at the start of the next page, or place your cursor just before it at the end of the preceding page. This step is crucial because the subsequent action will depend on your cursor's position relative to the page break. If your cursor is positioned just after the page break, you'll want to press the backspace key. This action removes the page break, effectively merging the content from both sides of the break onto a single page. Conversely, if your cursor is placed immediately before the page break, press the Delete key to achieve the same result. This removes the page break and reunites your document's content seamlessly. By following these simple instructions, you should now feel confident in inserting and removing page breaks in your documents, providing you with greater control over your formatting and overall document structure. This skill is essential for ensuring your work is not only professionally presented, but also easy to navigate. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.